Ebushafo ma munyina akwa ba Ghana Asem TV GH. But your message like, comment, subscribe, then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebushafo yako NSM anyway. That is when you see your smoothness level. Ebushafo, I saw a video from Kevin Taylor and I was appalled. I was so appalled. I'm not an entertainment person, right? Now, apparently this guy who is called Kwasiapanin. Until this week, I didn't know about him. But my sister is an influencer. And I hear the guy has gone to talk about Dumso. Say Dumso is destroying stuff and blah, blah, blah. And in a response to that, Kevin Taylor is trying to blackmail him. And the blackmail in such a way that I'm sure that guy is not going to talk about even NDC government again, I'm sure.
Don't try that thing again. And yes, our product and I'll go after the product, and the companies will come after you, and nobody is ever going to call you, because all that I have to do is that every product you touch, I will touch it negatively, and I will make sure that nobody calls you to do an ad for them. Or
threatening to go after the brands that are working with the guy. See, in Ghana, we give relevance to non-entities too much. I thought when I go, I'm scrolling past on YouTube and I see Kevin Taylor is live and I see the numbers that are on it. I realize on my way, it will take the grace of God for all of us to move forward as on mine. Nanka, why would somebody like Kevin Taylor even be relevant in Ghana? X says that, wait, Kevin Taylor will catch you. And then Miss Rono. I know one for send me and I said, Kevin Taylor, is he more handsome than I am or what? Or he has a better brain than I have? Please. Nobody's scared of Kevin Taylor. Are they? Bola bed. No one is scared of him. You see, it is because it is not in our nature or MPP to be aggressive. That is why every now and then you see us quiet, gentle, trying to explain things, tell you why we got here, what went wrong, very soon it will be okay, and all. But you see, everybody can be aggressive. And you are pushing some of us gradually to become so aggressive. You think I blackmail everybody? I'm not, no brand sponsors me, so I don't care. You cannot go after anybody. If any Ghananka, somebody who has gone to marry to get a citizenship, will have mouth to be talking. Obia Alcohol worry just to get citizenship, will be talking. Some of us have rejected even admissions from US. Yeah. Because we know the path that we are carving for ourselves. And people who know us know. Some people who know me know how I've resisted traveling outside this country. People who know me know. We are not bragging. But sometimes we must say this thing for NDC coconut heads to awaken. And the Obia worry because of document cannot come and say he's teasing us or he's laughing at us or he's blackmailing us. Check it. Even education wise, I can say I've gotten more than even Kevin Taylor. Yeah. Yeah. But you see, we don't seek to be just relevant for relevance sake. No. It is because of the love we have for Mother Ghana. Me, the kind of family I'm coming from, I know that for my family to prosper, it will require MPP to be in power. It will require MPP. Because if at one point in time, I'm having about 5 or 6 nephews and nieces who are going into senior high school, how am I going to bear the cost of all that? But should MPP be in power, at least I know government will take some of the burden away from me. That is why we are so passionate about the things we are saying. So don't think that those your empty threats are going to cause us to fold back or anything. No. Nobody is scared of anybody. No one is feeding anybody, by the way. I'm not working for government. I stopped working for government on my own accord. So nobody can use anyone to threaten. And then you come and arrest us. What can you do? You can only arrest, you cannot kill us whilst we are under arrest. Because you know why? The international community is watching. And I've warned some of the NDC people, the way they are going about things. They said, yeah, Obia NDC, no be me sorry. Now I find the phone, I find national security. I'm not away, Papa where me ex, go and arrest him. The day somebody will spy in their custody, that is when they would know the kind of game they are playing. You see, Obia spy, say nipa right? The day somebody will spy in custody, the way they keep on joking with power, playing around fire, because they are in power, so they can do whatever they want. They can keep doing it too, but the day the unfortunate will happen, they will go and catch somebody. Maybe the person already on the way to the grave, but the person dies in their custody. That's when you realize, say, you cannot keep a people in bondage forever. Yeah, even the Israelites, when they were in Egypt and in slavery, they were crying out against even their masters. Why did Moses have to run away? It was because a slave was fighting with the master. So you can enslave, you can put people under slavery for as long as you wish. But a certain time comes when people become fed up. When they become fed up, they are indeed fed up. Yeah. You can send your request. Let's have a conversation. Okay? Let's have a conversation. I hope you are enjoying the show so far. Therefore, Akwaba, Diaboko.
Voice,
Yagosu. I don't need Bible. Charlie, 6 minutes, young.
yeah, the voice. As a matter, I catch him say, Baby, I'm free. I didn't choose there. Baby, I'm free. I didn't choose to come from that area. So also, Baby, you're free. You didn't choose to come from Bota region or the family you come from. You don't choose. You don't have power to choose.
Yeah.
Ain't it say, will be free, baby, not say. Or person or ye bibi na wabe join a political party na say ufa saa de no so say oh nipa smasui of the minority side of the tribal intino ye mani bia so anaso okwa asoro wenti ye mani bia so a na saa o say nipa kro no na wadwene enya adwuma because say obi say o right say o choose baby o free na say yanka me so say most of us no e be choose baby a yeah, most of us you choose baby I was say you be choose baby.
Yeah.
Wow. But
Yeah.
we don't have that right. Intino baby nyame de to ye no why na you free. Intino ye ne ho kwan say ye discriminate say we free ha. Ana political party so enye obi fie akonwa. Na waka say oh we dey or this year we nya this year. Political party obi a this year. Say me tie say MPP me feel say oh me wa adwen say metima di Ghana so enti no me yam pipi ni enti me be fa form a obi a no kwan so be ka tim so ma me fa form say me fa form na say me wini a me right say me wo that power na say metima lead party na why not
Yeah.
I say me lead party no enti say yakọ contest na say u candidate no fu say ono o power so betima lead saa so na obi so party no no so fu so power so betima lead anything I call contest no your candidate lost and from there no what put up comic acting beer I say oh we on yet we na minti am you may hate him or you can dislike him whatever you want but like hey he's our candidate and what my work for me political party obi any wasem but one thing I make a church say Okojina simpie biaso no kasa. He should take NPP out of his mouth. NPP nya ne bonafide property. Send your kuma wudo okun no ho ma kuma wudo a yetim yi ni film no. But we are all no also all friend so GC wona ye ni film no. Sa na NPP so betima yi na film na yi. Edi NPP ni enye ne party.
Now is this still part of MPP? No, it's not. It's no
No,
longer part of MPP.
and American say onye even kwa onye member of NPP bi. And this okojina baabi a whether o hate doctor and I say or penasem no, he should take it out of his mouth.
Yeah.
On taking from more on can say in beam. What time no what penasem on your flag bearer. He should concentrate with his party wakwati. Now on work on it. On taking MPP out of it because ye him say ye nipa baako entimi nku party. Saa na nipa baako so entimi make MPP strong. It take collective effort. And you know, every man, you have a way to build the party. And you know, odo because unim, you nipa mienua, and I say nipa miensa be a me no muntimi nante. Obi oye snitch. Obi oye envious.
Yeah.
This kind of people, no nante are very dangerous.
Yeah.
Obi oye snitch and obi oye envious. Say who will be or circle man, be very careful with them. And or whatever party or more burden, it's not like they want something better for Ghana, but it's their selfish interest because of their enviness. Oh, yeah, better aba. Most snitch, mo betie ya se na makwa bonti na makoka. Formation ya bebo 442 na makwa bonti na makoka say oh, omo so omo bebo 442. Enti mo nye mo build formation for am betin their counter omo. This is the kind of people are near no more yedele MPP. The kind of people are the resource show Munsam say this is the resource young farmer party ma they stood on it say young farmer party man. This is the kind of people are near no more daily. And God being so good or Satan being so good, we lost the election. Fine. You better we hand over power to them. You better now what you lose the election within some few hours. Then you saw people on the street. These same people, no king, no vote. You want king. That shows the kind of I had say they were in houses telling people say mom they were giving them money. Say mom
Yeah.
because say Baumia Lusua, then the candidate will have the chance to come again.
Yeah.
And I'm telling them, say, oh, say, crowd be ni omuni party, omuni mtino de omonko, omo menja omasem na ejako ni hunya ni career no ewu no ntino ono say or pebi or be survive also. You just need money. Ntino ono budlik esa no ya na omasem hunya. Ono e budlik antina asem hunya. Me yambra afi odo ni case no so.
Time soon. It's a very doc and brim no sound.
Mame can afi odo de na me ye. Me babi wa na ya makas kemtela de. Afi odo ye onya celebrity. Me nim how osinya that celebrity because my cooking can celebrity no me hu obi a odi nu abeye celebrity. So me nim so ye actor ana so ye porn actor ana say on kire ni but unim Ghana obi afu so ye onim nyansa. Nipa bi mo ha say na medical kan omo ne resources bi omo di feed omo. They just feed upon a man for entinu whoever come first no the biggest win. Entinu say o build higher and omo no nante because oni ne ho hwe entinu obi obema niska no di wachi. This ama ye nkofo na ye hu omo so omo ye celebrate no most of them rely on politicians and omo survival. Entinu say oh MPP ba power na say onya bibibi amfirima. Yes, MPP omo hwe because your first Ghana ska man Kwasiapo. Ghana ska na ye de ye man ho adwuma no. ye de be free education ye mfa nkoma nkwasiafo entoto miniskirt ne yi nkwase na omo nroro omo ho nkyerɛ nkora ye de be build nkora na omo pese omo nya future na be build omo future and some of this a few other no me who the father that but I don't think say the father you will be very important to say Kufuado and I don't think say they or will be to say a future say a Kufuado na bushim one but like the people mo yeah here for na friend here fie na yeah asem to ya okwa uyi no no odi kan okasa no fie okwo ne fie obi ani ho no yeso na yemu ade oh ya na yemu ade o wo the privilege a wonya ya say obetena US na say na din say abrabo na easy asem ka otena abobra da ku a nka otena ha bobra but wa kwotena Ghana na wo ye nkwa asem na wo yi wo kira manfo na ojiska ojiska wi na wa betena so wo say wa ye o timi bi wa no ka che kufu so oye the both fruit o ma me na oba ya na wo de ne ye yi no o ma me no te ade adwuma na oye onu kwa en ka so ye both fruit bala we public figure ofu ibia te say Kevin Taylor na afiodo bi omutimi kasa tia eji o de omo no omo hunya ntini ya na mo meye ma omo da major attention na omo seeking because so hu say ya fruit platform na ye come asem obefu say oye so important bi onye obia ntini ya mo meye ma omo attention me da say
or therefore Dr. Isiama, congratulations once again on your PhD. Easy. All right,
I mean, that's it. Medina, as I sign echo back. I said, Quatanana, Obiani, and the as I said,
I didn't Dr. Quata. Very important.
oh say Quata
as I come back, yeah,
say Quata
yes, Minia.
Congrats boss
Thank you, Minia.
What's no didn't you